Hello great viewers, welcome back to J-Work Mechanics. As you can see, this is a Tiger generator. Yeah, the client brought this generator for us. As you can see how this gen is dangling, not well properly stand well on the ground. So what could be the cause of this? Wow, as you can see, the crankcase have got broken. Yeah, it has got broken, so this will enable the generator to stand well. As you can see, the down part is complete. This one has got broken already. So what's going to be, because we are going to change the crankcase for us to drive in. So let's lose the tank first. So we lose down the tank. Yes, we lose down the tank. So what next is to lose the panel. Yeah, lose the panel and the carburetor. Yeah, lose the panel and the carburetor. Yeah. If you have any question, please can you drop a comment below. Yeah, so we are done. So disconnect the wires and remove the carburetor. Yeah, disconnect the wires and remove the carburetor. Yeah, so disconnect the wires. So you remove the valve. You lose the valve. Next. Yeah, lose the valve next. In this case, there's no need for us losing the coil, because it's just the starter crankcase we are changing. I live in the armature side, it's just the armature coil we are changing. So we lose the starter, then we lose the block. Yeah, so if you find this video, please do to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, so lose the exhaust. Yeah, lose the exhaust. Yeah, lose the exhaust. So we are losing the block right now. So remove the engine block. So remove the engine block. That's it. So we lose the flywheel. Yeah, we lose the flywheel. Yes. It's even a hammer, so it can remove easily, as you can see. So what next now is to lose the bolts connected to the crankcase 10 spanner. So you lose it, then you lose the starting coil. So you tap it to remove the crankcase. Tap it. So I need to remove the screw attached to this, the regulator screw. So you tap it. Yeah, tap it. So remove. This is the first time losing the engine though, as you can see. So we are done removing this. Wow. As you can see, how it looks like. Wow. So as you can see the broken parts. Yeah, so this is the cause of it. So we change it's bad. It's bad already. So we've gotten another one. As you can see, a fairly used crankcase. As you can see, it is the old one. So that one is not good again. So we've gotten a fairly used one. So we have to construct a parking. Yeah, parking, engine parking for it. So we have to construct it, cut it. It's time to cut it. Now make sure you put your gum. It's very important. To avoid leakage, put your gum before putting the parking. Put your gum all around. Put your gum. Then you start the parking we constructed. Yeah. Start the parking we constructed. Make sure it's well balanced. If you have any question, please do well to ask a question. Yeah. Make sure it's well balanced. Yeah. Balanced. We put the oil to lubricate the bearing. Yeah, so we put a crankcase in it and we tap. So put the screw back, tight, make sure it's well tightened, very well. Yeah, start the starting coil. Yeah, start it back. Sure everything is intact. Make sure everything is intact. And start the flywheel too. Make sure the flywheel is tight. Very well. Yeah, just tight. Start the engine block back. Yeah. So the backing, gasket, and start the cylinder inside. Yeah. So tighten it and put the exhaust in it. Yeah, put the exhaust in it. And make sure you tighten it very well so there won't be leakage. Yeah, so there won't be leakage. So inside the seat rubber, so it can be balanced. Yeah, as you can see, the engine is not balanced. You can see balance now. So put the cover. Start the starter too as well. So put gum at the valve packing so there won't be leakage. Make sure there's no leakage. Gum, gasket gum. So tighten the valve. Make sure you do a good job. Make sure it's well tightened. Yeah, make sure it's well tightened, bro. Yeah, afterwards, put the carburetor. Yeah, on the panel. So just get ready to start this generator. We're done already. So let's start this generator now.
Yeah.
As you can see, our gen is balanced now. As you can see, the four rubbers are complete and the gen is balanced well now. So, wow, as you can see, balanced. So inside the tank. So that's how to change the crankcase for a Tiger generator. If you find this video, please subscribe to our channel. We love you.